Volvo Trucks has developed its collision warning with emergency brake to include yet another safety feature, Distance Alert. Distance Alert is activated at speeds of over 60 kilometers per hour. It warns the driver via a red light projected onto the windscreen when it detects that the distance from the vehicle in front is less than the selected time gap. This gives the driver a chance to slow down and maintain a safer distance from the vehicle ahead, enabling a smoother ride and traffic flow. But most importantly, it can help prevent collisions, in particular trailer-back accidents, where one truck collides with another from behind. Distance Alert is engineered to further improve safety for all road users and is yet another step toward Volvo Trucks' vision of zero accidents.